Welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, the 14th of October. Mixed outlook through markets today. We've had another US COVID-19 vaccination trial, which has been paused. Eli Lilly this time, adding to the Johnson & Johnson one the other day. And that sort of helped to, again, just drag markets back a little bit yesterday. We saw dollar rallying. We saw yields for equities also off their highs. So subsequently a little bit of a risk reversal slightly there. Now, a little bit back on track actually this morning. We've got futures that are ticking higher. We've got the dollar, which is sort of hovering around really. Major markets on Forex are not really doing a great deal, but equity markets have just generated a little degree of support. But it just sort of plays into what I'm seeing increasingly as range playing markets at the moment. And it'll be a theme of the videos that I'm going to talk through in a bit. Now, in terms of data points, we haven't really got a great deal of data. We've got the US PPI, which is expected to be slightly, as at 1:30, slightly up on the headline PPI to 0.2%. 0.2% year on year, and that is also going to be expected to see the core data, you can see here, up to 0.9%, but it'll be interesting to see if that makes much of a difference, because markets will be sort of looking also at the Fed speakers today. We've got Clarida, Vice Chair, got Randy Quarles and also Robert Kaplan, and it'll be interesting to see if they make much of a difference as well. So fair bit of Fed speak today to watch out for. You've also got US earnings season, which is going to start to be a factor, certainly for equities again. And you've got some big banks, I think Wells Fargo and Goldman's today. So we've got all that to look out for, but as I said, mixed outlook generally speaking. Now, in terms of my chart of the day, we can see that we had the improvement in sentiment. Aussie going up against the yen tends to be improving risk appetite. We saw the last couple of days the retracement of that move. Interesting that the yen has started to perform a bit better in the last couple of days, and it's back to an important level. We've got this little mini uptrend, but again, if you just take a step back, essentially we're just ranging really. And you can see that through these momentum indicators, flat momentum indicators really on the RSI, MACD, stochastics crossing back lower. And how the market responds today, I think, will be interesting. A little bit of a tick higher helps to maintain that uptrend. But if that uptrend is broken, you're then back towards the 75 figure mark, which is an old pivot line. And the 73.95 level starts to come back in as a possibility. But I think for now we're still holding up. You could argue we're pretty much mid-range really at the moment, between that 73.95, 78.45. So it's, what's that, 450 pips worth of range. And you're not a million miles off the middle of that point. So you're fairly neutral really on Aussie yen, but it could tip either way again, and obviously the resistance building up against 76.75 was an old key breakout which became pivotal back in September, and again a basis of resistance you could argue 76.50 to 76.75. And yeah, we just seem to be losing our way, I think, in terms of direction on these key markets now. So it'll be interesting to see how that one plays out. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.